Welcome to Sycope. This guide is designed to walk you through the platform's interface, core concepts, and powerful workflows. Sycope is engineered to give you comprehensive network visibility, performance, and security monitoring, primarily by analyzing flow data like NetFlow, IPFix, and SFlow from your network devices. Our goal is to flatten your learning curve and get you to the insights you need faster. Let's begin. Sycope interface is logically organized into four main sections to provide a clean and efficient workspace. On the left is the menu, your main navigation hub. You will use this constantly to jump between the system's modules. Home and dashboards for high-level visualization. Quick analysis to create an ad hoc charts and tables. Raw data for deep dive investigations. Alerts to manage security and performance events. Asset discovery to manage automatic inventory assets. And the playground to build and verify custom MQL queries. Below to the menu is the configuration section. This area holds frequently used options, allowing you to easily manage widgets, configure detection rules, and set up reports. Let's go to one of our built-in dashboards, host and subnet trends. Here you can select the data stream you want to analyze. Next is the filter information window, where you will build and modify your queries. It's crucial to remember that filters set here are persistent. They remain active as you navigate between dashboards and modules, providing a consistent context for your investigation. Further to the right is the time bar. Hover over it for quick presets like last hour or last 7 days. For more specific needs, a single click opens the detailed time settings. Allowing you to define a precise range down to the minute. Within the search bar, you will also notice the history icon. This is your safety net. It logs your recent operations, allowing you to constantly recall a complex query or jump right back to a previous view without having to rebuild your analysis from scratch. Finally, on the far right, you will find system function shortcuts for notifications, bookmarks, and help. The most important icon here is the gear, which opens the main settings menu. This is where you will configure the system's fundamental operations and user preferences. Sycope ships with a comprehensive set of dashboards and widgets, meticulously designed by our team based on extensive testing and real-world use cases. To unlock the full power of this built-in content, you will need to grasp three fundamental concepts: entity, category, and license. An entity is the what of your analysis, the network element you are examining. This could be hosts, applications, network interfaces, exporters, or even countries. The category defines the how, the analytical perspective you're taking. We have standardized this into three logical types: trends, overview, and details. Trends dashboards are for the long view. They use bar and line charts, often with historical baselines, to help you find patterns, peaks, and anomalies over days, weeks, or even months. Overview dashboards provide a what's happening now snapshots, typically for shortened time frames like 15 to 60 minutes. They utilize KPIs, counters, and top-end charts to immediately surface the most important activity. Details dashboards are for granular forensic analysis. They are built around tables and displays all records, giving you direct access to the NetFlow level data. This category is ideal for applying precise filters to isolate a specific entity. Lastly, the license simply determines which feature sets are active in your system, from visibility and probe to security and asset discovery. All functionalities are already part of the system and can be unlocked at any time. These three concepts come together in the main dashboards view. We have designed this as your primary starting point. Here, tiles are organized into entity and license. When you select a tile, you will find the available dashboards logically grouped into trends, overview, and details. We have also included a dedicated custom tile for your own dashboards. And if you ever need to see everything at once, you can switch to the full dashboards list at the bottom. Now, let's put these concepts into practice. A productive workflow in Sycope revolves around three key activities: data selection, navigation, and analysis. Precisely selecting your data is the first step to a meaningful analysis, and this is all controlled within the search bar. Let's walk through a scenario. Imagine you see a spike in traffic on a timeline chart. Your first move is to use the zoom icon to click and drag over that spike. Instantly setting the time bar to that exact period. Next, we can click on the dashboards group and switch to host and subnets overview to show an unusual amount of traffic per server. With a single click on a desired server, a filter is immediately added to the search bar. Now, every widget on your screen is focused only on that server within that specific time window. You can achieve the same result in data tables. Hovering over any cell reveals a small menu. Click the plus icon to add that value as a filter, minus to exclude it, or the funnel icon to open the advanced filtering module where you can apply different operators. And what about navigating between dashboards with different data structures? For instance, you filter by a country name on the country trends dashboard. But then you switch to a details dashboard that uses a different data stream without that exact country name field. Sycope handles this seamlessly. It will prompt you asking if you would like to automatically update the filter to match the new stream schema. With one click, your filter is translated and your analysis continues uninterrupted. Moving efficiently between views is key to rapid root cause analysis. Beyond the main menu, Sycope has several built-in contextual navigation aids. When you are viewing a dashboard, look at the top bar for a list of related dashboards, which are direct links to other relevant views. Additionally, the group menu drop-down will prioritize related groups at the top of its list, making it easy to jump to other contextually connected sets of dashboards. The most dynamic navigation tool, however, is the drill-down system, which is primarily accessed via the right-click context menu. Right-clicking on an object in Sycope, be it an IP address in a table, a port on a chart, or a timestamp, opens a powerful context-aware context menu. The options presented are tailored to the data you clicked on. This menu is organized into sections like copy, quick actions, send externally, and tools. Let's focus on a few key analysis features. Under the show section, you have predefined filters. For example, if you have a list of IPs, you can right-click the column header, select show, and then resolve DNS for all values. The system will resolve all IP addresses in that column and display the host names directly in the table, instantly adding valuable context. For ad hoc investigation, there is a contextual analysis. Suppose you want to see which clients are talking to a specific server. Right-click the server IPs, select Actions, Contextual Analysis, A new analysis window opens, pre-filtered for that server. You can then add columns such as client IPs and ports to build a detailed picture of the traffic. If this view proves useful, you can save it as a brand new widget directly from the screen. Finally, let's circle back to drill downs. The drill down menu is context sensitive. Right-clicking on an IP address will offer drill downs for clients or servers dashboards. Right-clicking on application will instead offer a drill down to an application-specific dashboards. These drill downs can either open a new widget in a pop-up window, or a quick look or navigate to an entirely new dashboard for a deeper dive. Finally, let's circle back to drill downs. The drill down menu is context sensitive. Right-clicking an IP address will offer drill downs to clients or server dashboards. Right-clicking an application name will instead offer a drill down to an application-specific dashboards. These drill downs can either open a new widget in a pop-up window for a quick look or navigate to an entirely new dashboard for a deeper dive. This allows you to follow your instincts and move from high-level overview to a more granular details fluidly and intuitively. One final point. If you encounter a not enough data notification, it typically means your selected time range falls outside of your configured data retention period. You may also see a small warning triangle on a widget. This usually means that while data for the primary time period is available, there isn't enough historical data to generate a comprehensive baseline, which is used for spotting trend deviations. That completes our detailed tour of Sycope. We have explored the interface, deconstructed the entity, category, license philosophy, and demonstrated the powerful workflows for data selection, navigation, and analysis. You now have the foundational knowledge to begin exploring your data with confidence. Thank you for watching.